Welcome back to the Reflective Explorer podcast, where every mile, every trail, and every quiet moment in nature becomes part of a bigger story. Today, we're diving into something that every national park traveler should know about, a little blue book that turns every adventure into a memory you can hold in your hands. It's called the National Park Passport, and if you've ever seen someone proudly flipping through pages filled with ink stamps from Yellowstone, Denali, Zion, or Acadia, you already know it's more than a souvenir. It's a record of a life spent exploring the wild places that shape us. In this episode, we'll talk about what the passport actually is, where you can get one, and how to use it like a seasoned traveler, whether you're road tripping in your Subaru Wilderness, hiking deep into the Rockies, or wandering through the historic districts you love so much. So settle in, take a breath, and let's explore how a simple stamp can turn a national park visit into a story worth remembering. Visiting America's national parks is more than a trip. It's a journey through history, landscapes, wildlife, and the stories that shaped this country. And for millions of travelers, there's one small book that turns every visit into a collectible memory, the National Park Passport. If you've ever seen people lining up at visitor centers with a little blue book in their hands, this is it. A simple idea that has become one of the most beloved traditions in the national park community. There's nothing better than visiting a national park during a vacation or a long road trip. These parks are some of the best in the world, each one shaped by the land that surrounds it. Every park has its own identity. If the terrain is rocky, it tells its story through stone. If the earth glows red, that color becomes the park's signature. I've been fortunate enough to visit all the major national parks across the United States, and now I'm exploring the smaller, lesser-known ones, like Congaree National Park, which I visited on my last road trip. These quieter parks have their own magic, their own rhythm, and their own surprises. So if you're unsure where to travel next, choose a national park. You can never go wrong. Camping in these parks is an experience that feels out of this world. The silence, the stars, the wildlife, the fresh air. Just remember, campsites book up fast, so act quickly if camping is part of your plan. What is the National Park Passport? The National Park Passport is a small booklet created by America's national parks that lets you collect official cancellation stamps from every national park, monument, historic site, seashore, battlefield, and more. Think of it like a real passport, but instead of countries, you collect parks. Inside the passport, you'll find regional sections, Northeast, Southeast, Midwest, Pacific, etc. Spaces for official cancellation stamps. Spots for annual regional stamps. Maps and park lists. Fun facts and park highlights. Every time you visit a national park, you stamp your passport with the date and location, creating a personal record of your adventures. When you walk into the visitor center, you don't even need to talk to anyone to get your stamp. The cancellation station is usually right there, ready for you to use. But if you want a story to go with it, a bit of history, a ranger's perspective, or just a fun fact about the park, take a moment to talk to someone at the desk. Rangers always have something interesting to share, and sometimes that little conversation becomes just as memorable as the stamp itself. Where to get a national park passport? You can buy the official passport in several places. 1. National Park Visitor Centers. Almost every major national park sells the passport at the front desk or gift shop. Look for the blue book with the golden eagle on the cover. 2. America's National Parks online store. This is the official retailer. Passport to your national parks classic edition. Annual stamp sets. Collector's edition, larger, more pages. Kids passport companion. 3. Park gift shops and partner stores. Many smaller parks, monuments, and historic sites also carry them. 4. Amazon, third-party sellers. You can find versions here, but the official one is sold through America's national parks. How to use your national park passport. Using the passport is simple and honestly, a lot of fun. 1. Bring your passport to every park you visit. Keep it in your backpack, glove compartment, or travel pouch. 2. Find the cancellation station. Every national park has at least one. You'll usually find it at the visitor center, at ranger stations, at historic sites, at museum entrances, at park bookstores. Look for a small table with an ink pad and a round date stamp. 3. Stamp your passport. Press firmly, let it dry, and you're done. Each stamp includes park name, city/state, date of your visit. Some parks even have multiple stamps, one for each district or landmark. 4. Collect annual regional stamps. These are colorful stickers released every year featuring a specific park, a landmark, a historic site, a scenic region. You place these in the designated section of your passport. 5. Build your travel history. Over time, your passport becomes a personal archive of everywhere you've been, a travel diary written in ink. Why travelers love the National Park Passport. It turns every visit into a collectible moment. It encourages you to explore new parks and hidden gems. It's perfect for road trips, family travel, and bucket list adventures. It becomes a lifetime keepsake. Kids love it, adults love it even more. For someone like me, who has visited every national park in America, this passport becomes a reflection of my journey, a physical reminder of the miles, the hikes, the wildlife, the silence, and the stories I've collected along the way. Compass tips for getting the best stamps. Ask rangers if there are bonus stamps. Many parks have them. Some parks have multiple visitor centers, each with different stamps. Historic sites often have unique designs. National monuments and battlefields count too. Keep your passport in a zippered pouch to avoid ink smudges. Bring a small ink pad if the park's pad is dry. Books should you get the Classic or Collector's Edition. Classic Edition. Small, portable. Fits in your pocket. Perfect for casual travelers. Collector's Edition. Larger, more pages. Spiral bound. Great for long-term travelers and national park enthusiasts. If you're someone who loves exploring national parks or hopes to start visiting more of them, the Collector's Edition passport is an amazing choice. It gives you plenty of space for stamps, stories, and memories, making it a perfect long-term companion for anyone building their own national park journey. And that's it for today's episode of the Reflective Explorer podcast. Whether you're collecting your first stamp or filling the final page of your national park passport, I hope this inspires you to slow down, wander a little deeper, and turn every park visit into a memory worth carrying. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe on Apple Podcasts or follow on Spotify. It helps the show grow and make sure you never miss the next adventure. Until next time, keep exploring, keep reflecting, and keep writing your story one park at a time.